knowledge.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Now in this video we will be discussing how to create sticker packs for your Redbubble so that you can sell those sticker packs on Redbubble and make some awesome money online. So now let's get started into the video, and for this we are gonna use an awesome application which is known as Canva, with which all of you may be familiar with. So now let's get started into the video.
One eternity later.
So to create this design using Canva, you need to go to your Play Store or Apple App Store, and you need to download this application which is known as Canva. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, and you have to upgrade it to its pro version. Okay, it's really cheap, not at all expensive. It's just $10 a month and you can get Canva Pro. Okay, so first thing is that you need to do that. After that we will just open the Canva application. Okay, so once you open the Canva application, you can see its interface. Okay, so now we have to design a stick of pack. Okay, so it's really simple. All you need to do is click on this plus button, and then you have to just choose the size. Okay, so just select the size which is maximum possible. Just select that. Okay, so I am gonna select 4000 by 4000. Let's see if it is agreeable. Okay, so just do it, and then you just have to click on this right. Okay, so your size is ready. Okay, so now we as this is a Christmas time, so we will be creating something which is related to Christmas. Okay, so we are gonna make a Christmas sticker pack. Okay, so just click on this plus sign, and you can just click on this illustration. Okay, so you will find a lot of Christmas related illustration. Okay, so let's search for Christmas illustrations. So okay, so you can see there are a lot of illustrations which are available over here. So let me find some of them which we will be using in this. So this is the first one. Okay, now if you are creating a sticker pack, you must keep in mind that there must be a lot of space between the designs, so that none of the design gets stitched to each other. Okay, that is something which is really very important. Now let's have something else over here. Christmas. Okay, so we have got one Christmas design over here. Now let's search for another. So we have Canva Pro application. So we have upgraded it to Canva Pro, and that's the reason why we are going able to use all these illustrations. Okay, so you must also upgrade it to Canva Pro. Now all you need to do is just place this according to you. Okay, but the only thing is that you need to place them far away so that they don't get stick to each other. Okay, that is really very important. Okay, so we have got this two. So we are gonna make sticker pack with 4 stickers. Okay, so 1 2. Now let's find something else. 2 more. Let's search it, and let me take this house. I probably like this one, so we have just took it. You just need to have more space between the designs. Okay, so that they don't get stuck to each other. That's really important, which you need to understand. Okay, now let's get some last design. So let's have some last design over here. Let's take this one. I think this car. Okay, this one looks really pretty amazing. Okay, so we have got this one over here. Let's make it a bigger. Okay, so we have created our sticker pack. Now it's really simple. All you need to do is just click on this upward sign button. Okay, and you just need to save this with transparency. If you have Canva Pro, then you can save this with transparency. Okay, so all we need to do is just save it, and once you have saved it, then your design is ready, which you can directly upload to your Redbubble. Okay, so it's really that simple to create a sticker pack using Canva Pro using your mobile. You can do this just from the comfort of your home. Okay, just playing with your smartphone for some time. Okay, so I hope you have got some value out of this video, and you will be doing this simple method to create all these designs.
A few moments later.
So I hope you have got some value out of this video, and you will apply this strategy to make some awesome money online. So goodbye.